Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Banxa on your dApp for US on-ramp payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Banxa website and create an account. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Navigate to the developers section of the website. Locate the integration documentation for dApps. Read through the API overview to familiarize yourself with the setup process. Next, create a new API key for your dApp. Make sure to securely store this API key as it will be needed for integration. Now, open your dApp's codebase in your preferred code editor. Identify the location in your application where you want to add the payment feature. Start by installing the required Banxa SDK. You can do this using your terminal or command prompt. Run the command to install the SDK via npm or yarn. After installation, import the Banxa SDK. You can do this by adding the necessary import statement at the top of your file. Next, initialize the Banxa SDK using your API key. This allows your dApp to communicate with the Banxa service. Now, create a function that will handle the payment process. In this function, set up parameters like currency and amount for the transaction. Ensure you include error handling in case of transaction failures. Call the Banxa payment method within your function. This will trigger the payment process when users initiate a transaction. Once the transaction is complete, listen for the success callback. In this callback, you should update the user interface accordingly. After your code is set up, test the payment feature in a safe environment. Simulate transactions to ensure everything is working smoothly. Make adjustments as needed based on your test results. Finally, deploy your updates to your dApp to make the payment feature available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.